Hello everyone, Ronnie Bowles here, Amazing Airguns, etc. Gonna be shooting my new gun. I know it's not pretty. Anyway, I have a 32-inch barrel. I'm gonna be shooting a 20 gauge shotgun slug, 398 grains. Fits in there perfect. Close it up. Let me turn on this chronograph. I've got 3 layers of wood there, 2 plywood and 1 door. Hopefully it'll stop it. Take it off safe. And we're gonna try shooting it 1000 PSI, 9.5 cubic inches on the air cylinder. See what happens. Get my sunglasses on. And here we go. Wow. 506 feet per second, folks. That is moving. Let me see what kind of damage it did. Went through the first one. Went through the second one, I think. Oh yeah. And plowed into the last one, but didn't go through. That's some power there. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I love this gun. Not very pretty, but I can make it nicer with an aluminum frame later on, make it a lot lighter. It's about 8.5 pounds right now without a scope on it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.